Hi there, welcome to Natural English with Sam. And in this video, I'm going to train your brain to think in English 10 times faster than usual. So, do you have some problem in English? Do you get stuck while speaking English? Does your mind go blank when speaking English? So, if yes, so this video is for you. And in this video, I'm going to train your brain to think in English 10 times faster than usual. We have to do First of all, we have to understand the concept of brain. There are two types of brain, conscious brain and subconscious brain. Let's understand about conscious brain and subconscious brain. Conscious brain is the brain where memory stays for short time. On the other hand, subconscious brain is the brain where memory stays for long time. It controls habitual activities and nerve and whatever works in our body. But conscious mind controls our instant action as well as emotions of a body. So what we have to do, we have to train our subconscious brain. So before it, I would like you to subscribe my channel and share if you like this video, guys. So let's start the video. And first of all, what you have to do, you have to listen. Yes, listening is so crucial and powerful. Those who want to learn any language, they have to understand, they have to listen again and again. This trick 100% works. Okay, now the question raises what to listen. You can listen English songs, podcasts, news. If you listen English songs, so it will improve your vocabularies, your pronunciation, way of speaking. So if you really want to become a fluent speaker and you want to train your brain to think in English 10 times faster, so you have to follow this trick. You If you're listening to any song, so do not listen only once or twice. You have to listen English song unless you understand, because uh, if you listen again and again, so that will go in your subconscious mind and it will print there. Your mind will start understanding. So for example, I want to ask you one question. Just think of a day when you were a child, when you were born. So did you know any language? Of course not. You could not speak a single word. You could not even utter a word. So, what you did, you started listening. You watched all people, listened again and again, and observed all the things, noticed. Then you started speaking. And you know what goes in, that comes out. So, similar, what will go in your head, that will come out automatically. Your mind will start understanding. So, in the second trick, what you have to do, you have to imitate. When you're listening to any song, when you start understanding, so start imitating it, shadowing it. You know, you must have watched many videos. They always talk about shadowing. Why they talk? Because if you are speaking again and again, so automatically you can improve yourself. So do not go away, understand properly. Okay, the trick number three, what you have to do in the trick number three, you can just watch videos, short videos, short serials. And if new words come across with you, not them down in your diary. Okay, understand it, watch again and again. When you watch with subtitles. Okay, subtitles on, tension gone. Okay, watch with subtitles, but when you start understanding, remove subtitles and watch it again. When you rewatch, focus on questioning. If any question come across, so listen and answer that. Or if you answer that question, so it will become your habit. Mostly we have to make habit of speaking. So that's how you can speak, you can think, you can train your brain. The trick number four, you can record yourself if you make mistakes. So do not worry about mistakes, because mistakes are great teachers of us. So mistakes always teach us. There is no harm in that. Everybody makes mistake. If they make mistakes, so they learn from that. Okay, so the trick number fifth, you have to practice. If whatever you are doing or you are watching, you notice all the things and practice. Whatever you listen, just practice. Watch movie and practice in front of mirror if you don't have any friends, okay, or environment of English. So in front of mirror if you practice, so you can find out your mistakes, you can remove your mistakes. Then trick number 6, write down. Write vocabularies, new vocabularies, idioms, phrases, and try to use them in your or in your daily conversation. If you write, so that will print automatically in your subconscious brain, because brain always catches the things which are visualized. Okay, if any video or anything comes across but in the form of a video or movie, so automatically mind can catch. Okay. Trick number 7, improve reading. Okay, read comics, books, articles, newspaper. If you're reading newspaper or anything, so you will get to know many meanings. Okay, learn them. Read idioms. If you're learning idioms, so use them in your conversation. If you bring them in your daily use, so that will add to your mind. Okay, it will add to your English, and again use of them will bring you something great.